Holly, hello and happy new year. I hope everybody had a wonderful celebration at home, however you chose to ring it in or not. Now today I thought we would do something a little bit different from all of the things that are going to be clogging up our socials for, the next weeks or months. Instead of doing New Year, New You, let's do New Year refashioned yet same you, and sort through our drawers and closets and cupboards and find those items that maybe aren't so great anymore. Maybe they're fitting a little bit snug now, and transform them with my baker's dozen of top upsizing tutorials. So let's get making!
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
These sweaters are too short and too tight, but when they're combined, they make an awesomely cozy dress. And the same can be done with this too short skirt and too tight skirt, and they make a groovy maxi skirt. Now, I will link all of these tutorials down below, including my super popular how to add a panel to a tight-fitting blouse. Oh, and what about when you shrink a sweater in the wash? Did you know you can simply use some scissors and create a groovy winter set? I despise elastic waists in dresses, but, you can remove it and make a dress fit better without sewing a stitch. Now, here is another dress upsize, and this one, it's too long and too tight in the chest, but I transformed it, and you can too. Turning a blouse around and chopping it in half basically creates an awesome cardigan. And again, get the tutorial down below. Now, these pants I ordered online. I love them, but they were too tight, and I figured out a no-sew method to make them fit perfectly. If you appreciate all of the hard work that goes on behind the scenes and want me to continue making fantastic free videos, then please do go ahead and hit that subscribe button plus the notification bell. And of course, share your fave tutorials and videos and articles from my site with your online circles. And let's get everyone living a more upcycled, rockin' refashionista lifestyle, because being eco-friendly shouldn't cost the earth. And another groovy trouser upsize, this time with side panels, and it's no waste because you can make accessories from the scraps. And here coming up, one of my first videos making a too tight tacky t-shirt fit better by replacing the front with some cool vintage lace. Too tight pants are a theme with me, but this one is so awesome because you're using the pant legs as sleeves. And another tight sweater. This really is adorable, though, because you can transform it into fantastic socks that will have you dancing on the ceiling. And last but not least, transform those too tight blazers by simply splitting the sleeves. Grab all of these upsizing toots down below. For loads more tips, tricks, and rockin' Refashionista tutorials, head on over to my refashionistasherry.com, and there you will find, just everything you need to start the new year off right on a sustainable lifestyle journey and truly discover the teeny-weeny, simple lifestyle changes that you can make to, be more eco-friendly. It doesn't have to cost a lot of money. I'm living proof that you can be eco without breaking the bank. And I share everything over on my site. It's all free over there, but if you want to support me a little bit, check out my ebooks, check out my Refashionista boxes, and I will put together an awesome sustainable outfit just for you. And of course, made by me. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag.